installing ScripTouch Sign and Save with plugins on Windows. Sign and Save is designed to work on a variety of different operating systems. The complete Sign and Save install includes plugins for Adobe Acrobat and Reader, Microsoft Word and Excel, OpenOffice Writer and Calc, LibreOffice Writer and Calc, and a TWAIN driver for use with TWAIN-compatible applications. Please note, ScripTouch will only install the plugin for applications already installed on your computer. This means if you need to add an application at a later time, you will need to reinstall the ScripTouch plugin. Open a browser and navigate to https://scriptel.com/support/downloads. Scroll down the page and click the Download Now button for ScripTouch Sign and Save. Once the download finishes, run the installer. Click Install to begin the installation. The User Account Control dialog may appear. If it does, click Yes. Click Next. Read and agree to the End User License Agreement. Click Next. Choose a custom installation if desired. Click Next. Click Install to begin the installation. When the installation has completed, click Finish. Sign and Save is now installed. Click Launch to run it. You will see an offer for touch signing. For now, just close the offer. Plug a Scriptel ScripTouch device into your computer to test the software. Sign your name and click OK on the pad to accept. If you are having problems with Scriptel products, please contact our customer support by email support@my.scriptel.com, by phone 844-972-7478.